Smelly underarms? Here's a simple, natural fix you can do at home. All you need is coconut oil and lemon juice. We'll mix equal parts, apply, and let it absorb. No harsh chemicals, just fresh, balanced underarms. Stay to the end for safety tips and how often to use it. Body odor starts when sweat meets bacteria on the skin. Warm, damp spots like underarms give bacteria a place to grow. Lemon juice is naturally acidic and helps neutralize odor-causing bacteria. Coconut oil adds light antimicrobial support and moisture. Together, they help freshen without drying your skin out. Grab these: coconut oil, a lemon, 1 tablespoon, and a small bowl. Optional cotton pads and a mild cleanser for prep. Start with clean, dry underarms for best results. Let coconut oil soften at room temperature. If it's solid, strain the lemon juice to remove pulp and seeds. That's everything. Let's mix. Measure 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix them together until the texture looks smooth and combined. It should look like a light, silky emulsion. Load a small amount onto a cotton pad or your clean fingertips. We're ready to apply. Apply the mixture to your underarm in a thin, even layer. Cover the area without rubbing hard. A light touch is enough. Repeat on the other side. Leave it on, and let your skin absorb the blend. Give it a few minutes. Most skin absorbs it fairly quickly. Patch test first if you have sensitive skin. Avoid using right after shaving or on broken skin. Lemon can increase sun sensitivity. Keep the area out of direct sun. If any tingling feels strong, rinse with cool water and pat dry. You should notice fresher underarms and a cleaner feel. Use 2 to 3 times per week as needed. Mix fresh each time. Lemon juice is best when freshly squeezed. Pair with breathable fabrics and good hygiene for lasting freshness. Quick recap. Mix 1 tablespoon coconut oil with 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Apply a thin layer, let it absorb, and you're good to go. If this helped, like and subscribe for more natural care tips.